Hi there. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use our awesome remote control all-terrain transport. In this video, we will walk you through the operation in detail. Let's dive in. First, make sure the battery is fully charged before using the machine. Here's the charging port so you can plug it in and let it charge up. To get started, turn on the remote control. Then turn on the power switch on the machine. Now let's move this machine. When operating, please push the lever slowly, because pushing too fast may damage the remote control. You can easily go forward, backward, turn left, and turn right. It's very simple. This button is for cruise control. While the car is moving forward, press the OK button on the back of the remote control at the same time. Then press OK again to release the fixed speed. Press button 5 to switch to high and low speed. Note: do not touch other buttons. Finally, to turn off the machine, switch off the power switch on the machine itself, followed by the power button on the remote control. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.